woke up early with the sun so bright. Packed my bags for a riverside light. Tents are up and the fire's high. Laughs and stories reach the sky. Water's cool and the breeze is kind. Left the worries and the past behind. Skipping stones on the moon's soft glow, where the river and the heart both flow. Oh, it's a campfire tale so old, with friends and love and hands to hold, singing songs that never grow cold. Memories worth more than gold. Caught a fish and it slipped away. Doesn't matter, we got all day. Roasting marshmallows in the dusk. Stars are diamonds in a sky of musk. Oh, it's a campfire tale so old, with friends and love and hands to hold, singing songs that never grow cold. Memories worth more than gold. Let the river be our guiding song. Together where we all belong, the water's tune will hum along by the fire all night long. It's a campfire tale so old, with friends and love and hands to hold, singing songs that never grow cold. Memories worth